Hello mga darling, pag-usapan natin ang arithmetic means. Example, insert 5 arithmetic means between 18 and 54. So 18 to 54 ang hanapin natin. So, anong gagawin una natin? Dahil wala tayong difference, hindi natin alam yung agwat bawat isa, yun ang hanapin natin. So, a sub n is equal to 54, a sub 1 is equal to 18, d hanapin natin, ang n natin is 7. Kasi yun ang pangpito natin na given is 54. So, substitute the values of a sub 7, we have 54, then is equal to 18 plus d. So, palitan natin yung n, we have 7. Then, copy natin yung minus 1. Then, 54. So, 7 minus 1, the answer is 8. Tama? 6. Sorry, 6. So, 6 times d, the answer is 6d. So, combine similar terms, ilipat natin yung 18 kasama ng 54. So, mag-change siya ng sign kapag linipat natin sa kabila ng equal sign. So, 54 minus 18 is equal to 6d. So, 54 minus 18, we have 36 is equal to 6d. Divided by both sides by 6. So, 36 divided by 6, the answer is 6. So, ang agwat nila is 6 sa bawat isa. So, 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. 24 plus 6, we have 30. 30 plus 6, we have 36. 36 plus 6, we have 42. 42 plus 6, we have 48.